Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to add a status in Slack. Setting up a status in Slack is a powerful way to communicate your availability and current activity to your team. Whether you're focusing on a project, in a meeting, or out of office, updating your status helps manage expectations and reduces unnecessary interruptions. First of all, open your Slack application on your smartphone or your desktop. Once you're inside the home page after logging in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now you will see what's your status text box. Tap on it and then write down your status in the text box. After you type in the status, you can type in emoji as well. Tap the emoji icon on your clipboard and select an emoji. Finally, click on the tick mark at the top right, and that's how you successfully set your Slack status. Keep regularly updating your Slack status so that you can enhance communication and productivity with your team. So that's how you easily set a status on Slack. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.